It's me. You sound very loud today. Yeah, that's a lot better. Is that the album I told you about? I just listen to whatever comes up. You probably wouldn't like it. Okay. No reason, really. It just started raining, and I was gonna offer to come get you if you were stuck outside. Listen. It started coming down all of a sudden. Who knows how long it will go on for? Yeah, rain can have that effect. No, I'm out. I'm heading back now. Someone's honking their car horn. Can you hear it? Did that really happen? Anyway, let me come and get you so you don't... What is it? Okay, I'll call you later. It's windy out. Be careful not to catch a cold.